Today's video is another 30-minute challenge. The idea of these challenges is to try and find as many profitable deals doing online or retail arbitrage. Today's video is about online arbitrage. With it being Q4, Santa season is almost upon us. It only felt right to do a toy store, and the toy store that everyone has chosen this week is... Welcome back everyone to the channel. Yes, I left you in suspense. You probably know by the thumbnail anyway what the store is. This store is Smith's Toy Store. This is a huge UK-based toy company that does provide good deals at times. We're going to try and search for as many deals within 30 minutes. But before we get into that, I just want to draw your attention to our wholesale course. It is now live. You've asked for it. We're giving it to you live. Down below, you will get a unique 40% off discount code off our course while we are still recording this. This is a limited time deal. Definitely take advantage of it. If the code down below does no longer work, then you have missed your opportunity and you'll need to hit the alert button. Make sure to keep checking back at the videos if you've missed out on today's one. You can see here you'll get a comprehensive guide launching your business from step to step. 200 wholesalers, companies, we will give you a list of them. Negotiation with brands and wholesale, round-the-clock support, get into the Discord, many more valuable resources. You can see here, these are just some of the brands that we work with. We are not like everybody else who push one company. We review them all, we have deals with them all, and no company is better than the other. They all have strengths and pros and cons. You can make the decision that you think is better, whether it's budget or services. Either way, we have the discount codes for you. You can go down here, read up all about it, see, click into it. You can actually see exactly what the course entails. While I'm talking about that, we also have our Deal Hunters FBA deals where now we're giving free trials. You can also get a $299 membership. Only 18 left though. That's being snapped up quick. That's for a year's membership. Or you can do 3 payments of $239 for a lifetime. There's only 9 available left on that. Make sure to check it all out. But let's get into today's video. Go to Smith's, click on this. The first thing for anyone that doesn't know how to do online arbitrage, you normally do the things like this: half price sale, clearance section, discounts, whatever it may be. I'm going to start the timer now. There you go. And we will get into this and let's see how many deals we can find. We're not going to bother looking into top cashback. They don't do top cashback on this, but generally speaking, you would go out and try and find discount codes. You would also try to use the likes of top cashback. And again, referral links are all down below to get access to these things. You'll get free money. And all the tools that we're going to talk about today, we have access to all of them. Feel free to click the link. Okay, so straight away, I'm looking at the half price sale. Eyes are drew straight to that. Let's have a look. But the way I'm going to do it, just like every other time, straight away I'm going to see, well, is it in stock? I'm not going to make that mistake of doing the research and then realizing it's not in stock. So it's not available for home delivery, but as I can see in my local store, there's 15 of them. So if this is a profitable deal, we're in the money. I can use SAS, BuyBot Pro, Profit or whatever. We've searched for it. We're looking. I don't see no buses here that's coming up initially, which would give me the impression that perhaps this isn't on Amazon. And for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to spend too much time other than doing what I'm doing here because I am under pressure. I don't want to be spending all day trying to find a deal that might not be there. 9 times out of 10, BuyBot Pro will find a deal within the first sort of page. So I'm not going to waste any more time. You can see here similar, but it's not Fortnite, so we'll keep scrolling. What's this one? Look, Fortnite BAR, Fortnite BAR Blaster, Dart Blaster. That looks very similar. That probably is the deal. It is sitting at $26.99. We're going to be able to get this for half price, so we're going to get this for $14.99. Yes, I put in 15, but for the sake of 1 penny, I'm not going to bother. So what we've done here then is we've put this in. We scroll down and we see the profit, a juicy 6% at 94p. That is a dud, not worth buying. Now, I could probably have told you that before we went in and did that manually, but for the purpose of this, I'm just trying to show you. But I will start ramping up my search in here and we'll fast forward the video. Don't worry, you're not going to be watching all of this again in store. Happy enough that this is half price thing. Let's say if BuyBot Pro can kind of find this deal. So these are called Color Neon. This looks to be the product here. £9. It is on Amazon, so we know by $7.49 there will be no profit in that, so I don't bother looking at that. I'm going to start ramping up the speed here. I'm going to rifle through as many as possible. I'll stop it when we find a deal. Okay, we have this WWE Elite Series 104 Solo Sakura. I'm a bit of a wrestling fan, so let's go on this one. You can see home delivery is not available, but there is plenty of stores available. This is how you do it, guys. You go like this, you hit BuyBot Pro. I'm actually going to bring up the page here just to get a bit more analysis. As you can see, I put £20 in. This is a seller amp. It's selling for 34. We're getting £6.51 and roughly 32% profit. Because this is in my local store, I'm going to be able to go in and purchase 15. But as you can see, I even have more options. I can go to 6 miles away, 15. So there is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, well, probably not worth going as far as that, but you're talking 60 potential of these, and I'll just do it. 60 times 60 is 360, so we're off to a very, very good start, and we are only about 9 minutes into this search. Go back in again to the Smith's website, and you have this annoying feature. The security is ridiculous on these websites. I found this deal here, as you can see, selling for £7, and if we type in £7, we can see very, very nice, 141% return on investment, almost £10. Let's see how many we can get of these here. It's out of stock in my local. It's out of stock in everywhere. Okay, keep looking. Gotta go into this 20% off and have a look. This looks like a very good deal here, as you can see, that you're getting 24% return on investment with about 5. Now the unknown here is the unknown sales. Bit risky if you wanted to take a risk on it. I don't know, we'll have to do a bit more due diligence. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down just to see here. You can see a few more offers have come on to the listing. FBA price all time has always been around this price. And new prices, buy box, new offers is rising, BSR is high. This would be one that I personally wouldn't buy it on a tight budget, but if I did have unlimited budget and in the scenario that I'm in, it could be worth buying, 2 or 3 of them. Why not? You could potentially be getting 15 quid. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to add on another 15 quid profit just to assume that I'm going to get that. Okay, we're off to another good one. We have this Jurassic World / in battle. 41 sales a month, decent. 41 sales a month looks good. We can pick these up for £10. So if we bang in £10 here, you will see we have another juicy deal at about 60% return on investment, and you're getting 5. So again, if I go into my stores, this is one that would be a great deal to get. So I can get 8 and 15. So we'll say 20 there. We should be, say, another £120. So we'll put 120 onto our list. We're off to a great start. Never friggin' verifying thing. Well, this really looks the part selling for that kind of money. 15 quid. We have 124%. Look at this, guys. 18%. Look at this. The sales. How many can we get? Oh, it's out of stock. Please, please. It's out of stock everywhere. Ah! Unlucky. That's just the way she goes. The way she sometimes goes. Okay, this one is in stock. It's a Fisher Price Link Miles Puzzling Shapes Polar Bear. Again, we can see this is on Amazon. We have found it. We can see not a huge amount of profit, £2.12 profit, sitting around 17%. Not a great deal, but considering selling 33 a month, does it do any harm to fire even say 5 of them to get another tenner? Let's see if we can quickly get another one in before we have about 1 minute left. If I find a deal within the 1 minute, whatever time it runs over, we'll add that onto the thing. We need to find the deal though. That's it, we're out of time. So within the 30 minutes, we can bring up the calculator. If I go around to the stores and do click and collect, some of them are available to be home delivered, but I prefer just to go out and clear the shelf. You can never order any more than 3 on Smith. So, and even if you can't get home delivery, you are limited. £500 in 30 minutes. That is phenomenal. If you double that up to an hourly rate, that is over £1,000 an hour. You tell me where you can make that money. Some people will say, well, there's more than just ordering the things. Well, there is. If you're going to do a click and collect, There's that click and collect. These are, 6 miles away. I'll tie that in with a time that I'm going by, so it's not really out of my way as such. But there is going into store, then there is packing up the box. This might be a box worth. A box, once you're up and running, could easily take you 45 minutes to do if you don't have a fulfillment center. So allowing that a bit of travel time, that's an extra 1 hour. 1 hour plus the 30 minutes that we spent here, that's an hour and a half's work. Round it all up just for teething problems, say, and adding stuff to perhaps Amazon and your Profit Protector Pro, say another 30 minutes. That is 2 hours worth of work, and you've made £500. That is outstanding. £250 an hour. There's not many people that are going to be able to get that. That is the glorious thing about online arbitrage, and that is the reason why we have Deal Hunters. We show you all our deals. As I said previously, we hunt them, we give them to you. These are the types of deals that will be on the deal sheet. Get in, take advantage of all this. Prices will be going up soon, and if you are interested in all this, we have the free 7-part series down below that will give you guidance. We have plenty of content here to help with this, and all we ask for in return is for you to like and subscribe, help us grow this channel. Check us out on our socials, and I will be back very soon.